Busy day in the garage today. We have the GB500, which is actually going away for a little bit. It's going into some storage just to make a little bit of room in the garage. But I still have these three bikes sitting here. Now, the reason this bike is leaving is because there may or may not be another motorcycle coming to the collection this weekend. But the GBs have been sitting for a while because the weather outside has been horrible. But today it's actually decent, so I want to put some heat into this bike and go take it out for a little ride. This is the original GB that we have. That's the new one that I picked up. And well, it's got a full tank of gas. We filled it up the other day. Choke on and turn the fuel on. Do it all from this side, that'd be great. It's been a while since the bike's been rode, and I just kind of want to go take a little chill, relaxed ride. I thought I'd bring you guys with me. Idles nicely with the choke off. I think the bike kind of fixed itself. Riding it a little bit has, of course it's going to turn off, but riding it a little bit has opened the pilot jet up, I believe. Yeah, pilot jet, because I believe it's clogged, and I think just a little bit of riding, some high octane fuel will do the trick and hopefully just get it to work again. Because if you can't see, the carburetor is all the way tucked back there. It is a pain to get out. We've taken it out before, but I don't want to have to do it again. Let's get a little bit more heat into the bike and go take it out. Here she is out in the sun. A little bit of heat in the motor. It's idling nicely now. Of course it does that as soon as I say it's idling nicely. I think it still needs a little cleaning, so let's go clean it. So far, so good. I probably should have worn a helmet. I'm not wearing a helmet right now because I thought, oh, I'm just going around the block. Yeah, it's like 40 degrees, it's 35 degrees. I consider that warm. Bike's running nicely though. It seems to quit having its problem now that I just rode it a little bit. Sometimes that's all they need. Also, I apologize for the wind noise. I'm using the wrong GoPro. My other GoPro has a windbreaker on it, or a wind muffler. This one does not. Anyways, I just needed to stop because I'm freezing. Woo! Whoever says 33 horsepower isn't enough is absolutely wrong. This bike is so much fun, even though it's not the most powerful machine in bike off. I am absolutely frozen. Hands are fine, but my face is just numb. But this is such a good bike. I always say that. Just because of how light it is and how like easily maneuverable this bike is with a single 500, it just makes the thing so much fun. My face is very cold, especially my ears. I don't know why I thought it would be warm, but it wasn't warm. Every time, I just want to take this bike out. I know I've made plenty of videos with it. I know I've made plenty of riding videos with it, but it's just such a good bike. And, well, none of my other motorcycles wanted to start today. I tried starting the 550. Didn't quite want to start. I tried starting not my red 750, but my other 750 that I have. Didn't want to start. Now I'm like, you know what? Forget it. Just gonna go with old, reliable, trustworthy, the Fire. But, well, she actually ran pretty nicely this time. Once it was warmed up, stopped really having any issues. So clearly it just needed to be rode a little bit. And my original theory was right. And probably at some point will have to clean the carburetor out again, but I can probably get by this year at least. Anyways, that's all I have for the video. If you guys enjoyed, want to see more GB content, other motorcycle content, like I said, there's a new bike coming to the garage, to the collection. We still got plenty of other motorcycles that haven't even got their chance to shine on the channel at all. So those bikes will also be slowly introduced to you guys. So make sure to stick around, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.